Lecture, I have taught you about the respiration in plant, and today I will teach you about the respiration in animals. Different animals have different mode of respiration. For example, in simple unicellular animal like amoeba, respiration takes place by simple diffusion of gases through the cell membrane से respiration होती है. But most of animal have however a specific organ or organs for respiration. The animal like earthworm which live in the soil use their skin to absorb oxygen from air and remove carbon dioxide. So the respiratory organ of earthworm is the skin. The aquatic animal like fish, prawn, mussels have gills as their respiratory organs which extract oxygen dissolved in water and take away carbon dioxide from the body. In the insect like grasshopper, cockroach, housefly, mosquitoes, the teeny holes called spiracles on their body and the air tubes called trachea are respiratory organs. The respiratory organs of land animals such as human, birds, lizard, dog, frog, etc. have lungs. ये lungs के सारे रिस्पायर करते हैं. Once the air containing oxygen come either from the skin or lung, blood absorbs the oxygen and transport to the various cells of the animal. Bloods also pick up the carbon dioxide from the cells and bring it back to the skin or lungs for throwing it out into the air. All the respiratory organs, whether skin, gills, trachea, etc., have three common features. First of all the respiratory organs have a large surface area to get enough oxygen. Second, all the respiratory organs will have thin wall for easy diffusion and exchange of respiratory gases. उन्हें एक बहुत पतली दीवार होती है जिससे कि आसानी से डिफ्यूजन हो जाए और एक्सचेंज ऑफ रेस्पिरेटरी गैस हो. थर्ड कॉमन फीचर क्या है? ऑल द रेस्पिरेटरी ऑर्गन्स लाइक स्किन, गिल्स एंड लंग हैव ए रिच ब्लड सप्लाईज फॉर ट्रांसपोर्टिंग रेस्पिरेटरी gases. Only the tracheal system of respiration, air reach to the cell directly. The animal which lives in water or aquatic animal use oxygen dissolved in water to carry out respiration. Since the amount of dissolved oxygen in water is low as comparison to the amount of air oxygen in the air, the rate of breathing in aquatic animal is much faster than in the terrestrial animal. यानी एक्वेटिक जंतुओं का ब्रीदिंग रेट जो होती है टेरेस्ट्रियल एनिमल के ब्रीदिंग रेट से बहुत अधिक होती है. A faster rate of breathing provide more or oxygen to the aquatic animal. The terrestrial animals use oxygen of air or atmosphere for breathing and respiration. Thus, terrestrial animals have an advantage over an aquatic animal in regard to obtaining oxygen for respiration, that it is surrounded by oxygen rich atmosphere from where it can take any amount of oxygen. Now I will explain you about the process of respiration in amoeba, earthworm, feces and human being separately, अलग अलग. Respiration in amoeba. आज पढ़ते हैं अमीबा का रिस्पिरेशन कैसे. अमीबा इज ए सिंगल सेल एनिमल, unicellular organism. It has no specific organ to breathe. Amoeba depend on diffusion of gases for breathing. Simple diffusion होती है. The diffusion of gases take place through the thin cell membrane of amoeba. In another word, the exchange of gases in amoeba take place through its cell membrane. Amoeba lives in water. This water has oxygen gas dissolved in it. The oxygen from water diffuse into the body of amoeba through the cell membrane. Since amoeba is very small inside, so the oxygen is spread quickly into the whole body of amoeba. This oxygen is used for respiration or release energy inside the amoeba cell. The process of respiration produces carbon dioxide gases continuously. This carbon dioxide gas diffuses out through the membrane of amoeba into the surrounding water. So, the breathing surface of amoeba is its cell membrane or cell surface membrane. In addition to amoeba, other simple animals like Paramecium, Planaria also depend on simple diffusion of gases for breathing or respiration. Thus, amoeba, Paramecium, Planaria all breathe through their cell membranes. In large animal, there is blood circulatory system to carry out oxygen to all the parts of body quickly. The blood containing respiratory pigment which take up oxygen from air and carry it to the body cell. ने ये ब्लड के रेस्पिरेटरी पिगमेंट जो होते हैं वो एयर से ऑक्सीजन लेते हैं और सेलों तक इसको कैरी करते हैं. डिफ्यूजन इज इनसफिशिएंट टू मीट द ऑक्सीजन रिक्वायरमेंट्स of large multicellular organism like human, because the volume of human body is so big that oxygen cannot diffuse into all the cells of human body quickly. This is because oxygen will have to travel large distances inside the human body to reach each and every cell of the body. Diffusion, being a very slow process, will take a lot of time, देर सारा समय लेंगे to make oxygen available to all the body cells. बहुत सारा समय लगेगा डिफ्यूजन, क्योंकि स्लो प्रोसेस होती है. इफ फॉर एग्जाम्पल इट हैज बीन एस्टिमेटेड that if diffusion were provide oxygen in our body, then it will take about 3 years for a molecule of oxygen from our lungs to reach our toes from our toes by the process of diffusion. ने हमारे शरीर में अगर डिफ्यूजन से अगर रिस्पायर हो तो सारे शरीर को पहुंचाने में 3 साल का समय लग जाएगा. ऑन द अदर हैंड, ब्लड सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम इन ह्यूमन carry oxygen to all parts of the body quickly and remove carbon dioxide. Actually, human blood containing respiratory or pigment called hemoglobin, which carries the oxygen from lungs to all the body cells very efficiently. Hemoglobin is present in red blood cells या red blood corpuscles. Now I am going to teach about the respiration in earthworm. Respiration in earthworm. Earthworm exchange the gases through its skin. अर्थवर्म गैसों का एक्सचेंज अपने स्किन के माध्यम से करता है. दिस मीन्स दैट द रेस्पिरेटरी सरफेस ऑफ अर्थवर्म इज इट्स स्किन. द स्किन ऑफ एन अर्थवर्म क्वाइट थीन एंड मॉइस्ट, बहुत पतला और नमी युक्त होता है. एंड हैज़ ए गुड ब्लड सप्लाई, और वहाँ पर अच्छी तरह से ब्लड सप्लाई होती है. शो द अर्थवर्म एब्जॉर्ब द ऑक्सीजन नीडेड फॉर रेस्पिरेशन थ्रू इट्स मॉइस्ट स्किन. ऑक्सीजन is transported all the cells of earthworm through blood, where it is used for in respiration. The carbon dioxide produced during respiration is carried back to the blood. This carbon dioxide is expelled out of the body through its skin. Thus, in earthworm, gases exchange take place through a skin which is thin and moist. Just like earthworm, the leeches also absorb oxygen needed for respiration through its skin. This and carbon dioxide produced inside the leeches also get out through the skin. Respiration in fish. मछली कैसे लेती है उसके बारे में. The fishes have special organs of breathing called gills. The fish has gills on both sides of its head. Converted, the gills are covered with by gill cover, though they do not be visible out visual from outside. The fish lives in water, and this water contains dissolved oxygen. For breathing, the fish uses oxygen which is dissolved in water. The fish breathe by taking in water through its mouth and send it to the gills. में ये पानी को अंदर लेते हैं मुंह के और इसे गिल्स में फेंकते हैं. When water passes through the gills extract dissolved oxygen from this water. The water then goes out through the gill silt or gill cover. Thus, the dissolved oxygen is extracted from water by the fish when it is flow through the gills. The extracted oxygen is absorbed by the blood and carried it to all parts of the fish. The carbon dioxide produced by the respiration is brought back to by the blood into the gill for expelling into the surrounding water. The fish has no lungs like us. Thus, gaseous exchange in fish take place in gills. So the respiratory surface of a fish is the surface of its gills. Now, in the next lecture, I will explain you about the respiration in human and other animals, terrestrial animals. Thank you.